I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best lemonade ever. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 6 to 8 fresh, ripe lemons to yield 1 cup of juice. For sweetness, 1 cup of granulated sugar is ideal, and you'll also need about 5 to 6 cups of cold water. Don't forget plenty of ice for serving, ensuring your lemonade is perfectly chilled and refreshing. The secret to perfectly dissolved sweetness in your lemonade is simple syrup. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring continuously until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. This crucial step ensures a smooth, cohesive drink without any grainy sugar at the bottom. Once dissolved, remove it from the heat and let it cool entirely before proceeding. Now it's time to get that vibrant lemon flavor. First, roll your lemons firmly on a counter to help release their juices, then cut them in half. Squeeze until you have about 1 cup of fresh lemon juice, removing any seeds. Next, pour your cooled simple syrup into a large pitcher. Add the fresh lemon juice, then introduce 4 to 5 cups of cold water. Stir everything together thoroughly to ensure all components are well combined. Almost ready to enjoy. For the best flavor, refrigerate your lemonade for at least 30 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld and chill thoroughly. Before serving, give it a taste and adjust if needed. You can add a splash more simple syrup for sweetness or a bit more lemon juice for tartness. Pour your delicious creation over plenty of ice in individual glasses, perhaps garnished with a fresh lemon slice. Now, sit back and savor your perfectly balanced, homemade lemonade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.